morning, rollers. It is bright and sunny Saturday morning, and I am on my way to Ikea to get some organizational things. Are you with me on this? Let's get going. I am such a fan of Ikea. I've got my Ikea bag, so I am ready to go. And notice, no kids. They're just not fans of going to Ikea, which is okay. That just means I get to actually concentrate on exactly what I need. I told Ezra that I would get him a couple of things for his Legos, and I'm specifically looking for something to help organize some of my necklaces. We'll see what I can find, but I just love Ikea. Let me know if you have an Ikea near you and if you go there often. It is a beautiful, cold day in Vegas, but I thought I would work Ikea backwards because their Christmas stuff's on sale, so I wanted to take a look. That was kind of a bust, but I'm just gonna go shopping now, and there's so many people here. So Ikea has wonderful organizations for desks or for magazines. You could even use these under your sink. I do. I keep my blow dryer in one. I wasn't sure if I was going to use this for Ezra's toys, and I was having a hard time getting it apart, so I really couldn't look at it. But I do like how the lids are separate and they're very sturdy. This is more like it. This is exactly what I was looking for. There's like really so much going on here that it's very distracting. So organization is my purpose. I have been eyeing these shelves for a while, and oh my goodness, those little succulents are adorable. I love vases. They are so versatile. You could just decorate with them by themselves or even add flowers or greens or even just sticks from outside. Plus these little pitchers. Oh my goodness, adorable, right? Look at those stripes. I love it. And then they have some plain ones that are white, and I have something similar like that already in my kitchen, but so cute. Here's some more plants. Those succulents looked so real. I love these little plants, and they're like $5. And these flowers, how perfect for spring are these? This bench is super cute. I can totally see it in my backyard. Wow. Well, that was sheer craziness, and I didn't get exactly everything that I wanted. But I still got some good things that I will show you. And then I'll show you what I'm doing with them. So, want to see what I got? I love that we get to take these Ikea bags, because then we don't have to have extra like garbage all over the place from those little plastic bags that just drive me bonkers. Plus, for people who have snowy places, I've seen people use these as little sleds. Ingenious. I mean, really. So let me show you what I got. I bought 2 of these poster size light blue frames. I am going to be doing a gallery wall on a corner like this. And so it's actually going to be 2 parts to the picture. And I'm super excited about it. So I can't wait to get started on that. But it's going to be a little while because I need to collect some more frames. It's going to be for our downstairs bathroom. And I think it's going to look so cool. I did end up getting these 2 boxes for Ezra. I believe they were $1.99, and then I think it's 50 cents. Hold on, while I'm looking at this. The frames were $5.99, and the boxes were $1.59 each, and the lids were 80 cents. So that's not bad. So these are pretty big. They're 3-gallon sized. So that's gonna hold a lot of Legos. And then I got this soap dispenser. I've been looking for one for a little while, and this is actually at the checkout, like somebody had changed their mind. I think this was a little more pricier. It was like $6.99, but I love that it looks like a little mason jar. I just love that. So I just put my refills in here, even better. And I just got 3 more plants. I love these plants, you guys. I have them in a lot of spaces in my house. Plus I got the 3 little matching container bottoms. So these will go into our bathroom as I'm starting to decorate. I'm gonna go with more of a like greenish, white, clean look. And I'll show you what I'm doing in a few. But let me show you some more places that I have where I have those plants. I have a few up here. A few more over there. I really was looking for, at Ikea, a wreath that looked like this, because I think that's where I got it from, and I couldn't find them, of course. But I do have some more of these plants, like all over the place here. So all in all, I spent about $40 or so, plus I had gift cards from Christmas, so really I spent like 10 bucks, which, even better. So I'm gonna wanna see what our bathroom is starting to look like upstairs. It's a little bit messy, but I will show you what I've started. So it's kind of a disaster zone in here because we're like taping things. Paul's doing the closet. So a lot of things are coming out, but I wanted to show you the color I'm doing on the wall. It's kind of like this blue color right in here. So what we did is I had to put 2 layers or 2 coats. So I'm on my second coat over here. But I even did the ceiling, you guys, and I have to do some touching up. I can see it. But I can also see over here in the video that I need to kind of do some touching up, which is perfect because I want this to be perfect. So this is white. It's an ultra white. So it's an ultra white base with 3 more ounces of white added to it. So it's a really bright white. And I know it doesn't really show on the camera, but I'm loving it. Getting near done with our bathroom. Just a little decor that's going up on the walls. And you guys, these are super cute. So you can go online and find free printables. Just free print art. Get yourself like some dollar store frames or whatever frames you have. And it looks so good. Like you can change these out often. I have lots of these around my house, but you can get them as a PDF or just print them from the site. It is awesome and free. So let me show you what I'm doing. So here's how it all turned out. And I'm still in the process of decorating. In fact, right behind me here, you can see into my closet. I'm gonna put 4 pictures kind of like in a square, but it's gonna be good. And here it is, you guys. It's all white. It's like ultra white. And so, hello. Here is the pictures on the wall. And I can make that even more. So I can get little more frames to go around the sides, kind of more like a living gallery wall, so to say. So I may put up some more wreaths up there so it can grow. So I'm super excited about that. Now this is an ultra white. Like you can see what the white was before to the white now. It almost looks kind of yellow. So I am going to be doing the doors as well. And it took like a few coats, you guys, like 1.25 gallons just to do this small space. But you can see I have some more of those Ikea plants. So I might spread them out a little bit. But they are so good. So good. Look at those. Those are so cute. Those are my favorite plants. And then it's just nice and look at all of our trash that we got out of here. I'll take care of that. So good, right, you guys? Now I know it's white. And I am more into the colors because I'm actually going to be taking this color into the bedroom behind me. I just feel like it's nice and crisp and clean. And that's what I'm going for this new year, 2020. Just real clean, real like organized. I think that's what we're going with this year. Thanks so much, Rollers, for stopping by the channel today. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked going shopping with me at Ikea, getting some fun little things to organize and decorate my house. And then of course, one of the big projects that's going on here. Yikes, it's gonna keep going too, and I'm gonna keep myself nice and busy. So stick around, Rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.